Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator evaporator cover assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a putty knife and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator evaporator cover assembly. This evaporator cover assembly is located at the back of the fresh food section. It includes an evaporator motor and a temperature sensor. The body of the cover has built-in air ducts and insulation. If the evaporator cover assembly in your refrigerator is covered with ice and the compartment stops cooling properly, check if the defrost system is good and the condensation drain is not plugged, and then, if those items checks out as normal, replace the refrigerator evaporator cover assembly. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. Next, I'm going to remove both vegetable drawers, pulling straight out, lifting up, and sliding out. Same thing here. Next, I'm going to remove the shelves and lift up and release that rear hooks. And same thing here. And now I'm going to remove these two. To remove the vegetable drawer cover, we need to press simultaneously two buttons here on the sides. That's like locking tabs. Push it in and lift up. To release it. Now we can slide it out. To remove the rear panel, we need to take out 1, 2, 3, and 4 Phillips screws. For that purpose, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. And we're going to start taking them out. Now I'm going to remove this central shelf support. Lift it up and take it out. They are marking the locking tabs behind the evaporator cover panel. So to open it, we need to use the putty knife, and we're going to insert it right where the arrows are and push it in. And go to the right side. And it's open. Now I'm going to pull it from the bottom. And it comes out. Do not go far with it because we need to unplug first the harness at the back here. We need to unplug this and this one. And the locking tab is on the bottom and it's here on the side. So I'm going to start with the bottom one and I'm going to take out the top one. And now we can remove this cover assembly. This is the old refrigerator evaporator cover assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, now I'm going to install this new beautiful evaporator cover assembly in place. We're going to need to plug these two plugs in. The blue one goes on the top and the bigger one, the white one, goes on the bottom. Now I'm going to turn it and install the top first into the groove. Push it up. And I'm going to bring the bottom in and we're going to press the sides And now this side. And then we're going to secure it with the screws. So we can install 2 Phillips screws at the bottom using a Phillips screwdriver. And the 2 larger screws. Now we're going to remove this tape. We don't need it anymore. Now we're going to install the vegetable drawers cover. Place it on the supports and push it back and down. Now we're going to install this bottom row shelves in. The hooks at the back goes into the cutouts, and the one next to it, and the top row. Next would be the drawers. I'm going to slide it in slightly on the side and then in, and I can slide it in. Same thing here, slightly on the side, and then we can slide it in. And now when we're done, we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.